creating a security bank's checking account is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can create checking account on security bank. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for security bank. And you have to go to this website, which is securitybank.com. If I go to this website, I will be able to see these options. So now here you have to hover at your personal section, and under personal section you will be able to see an option for accounts under checking under account section. So you just have to click on that, and as you guys can see, the creation of this account is pretty simple. So as you can see, all these informations, now you just have to read all of the information. After reading the information, you have all the information about the checking account. We will go to the new tab and type in create an account security bank. And after searching that, as you guys can see, you just have to go to this website, which is you need to go to their online page, and as you guys can see, they will simply let you enroll. After enrolling, your bank or your checking bank should be ready. So that's how you can create or open a checking account in security bank. Hope you guys find this video helpful.